Notice about Hani Hasterong Krakhan Bagay Central Haban Kerang Busabni 125 Kerang no Pina Thangwi Tongo Abno Ruguna Central Haban and Bakati Thangwai October Tale Nutisha Salmariwo Tripura Haban Tang Pankarno Kokton Bulai Ruwi Hastini BGP Day APFT Haban Kokbuti Shanka Hanishaka Tiprasa Hamkra Montri Mebar Kumajumatia Sarang Salo Chumtaza Koktumen Kutumungo Montri Mebar Kumajumatia Sakha ETC Amtoyo Tonga Lokorongni Hamkani Bagay Kaisa Koksa Zaka Boshaka Bidan Choba Chongman BGP Kobi Kisa Kami Amsa Reg Motorone Bakakti TTA Hapang no Kwbang Phan ni Bagi Shamu Zaka Hanoi Asang Simia BGP ni Bakakti Kogru Zaka BGP Hapang go Phake TTA Hapang no Kwbang Phan nai Abna Rugino Hastewo Kotal Hapang Phano Phamen Ulo Kogru Marono Nama Thangwi Tongkha Abro Tabuk Turwk Mukta Na Thangwi Tongkha Hanai Shaka Montri Mebar Kumajumatia.
Today I want to express the gratitude and congratulations to our BJP IPFT government for passing the important bill. We have just recently in cabinet meeting we have endorsed some amendment regarding district council. As you know, last month 21st October, we have received a letter from Minister of Home Affairs regarding the constitutional amendment 125 Amendment Bill 2019, and Home Ministry have requested to us to send some proposal, comment, and they have given us questionnaires regarding the 125 Amendment Bill regarding District Council. And you should be noticed that this kind of letters came before also. 2019, 2009, 2013, 17, so many times they have sent a letter to District Council as well as Government of Tripura regarding the amendment bill. The central government requested to the state government as well as District Council to send some proposal regarding the amendment. But unfortunately, it is very sorry to say, previous government did not take care and did not take very seriously about this amendment. Therefore, since we have already 35 years back, we have achieved our district council 35 years ago, and it was not done properly. Therefore, I would like to thank our present government, IPFT BJP government, for taking this initiative. And this is a historical amendment, and we have passed in our cabinet and have sent a proposal, comment about the questionnaires sent by the central government, Minister of Home Affairs. And here I would like to mention some most important amendment and proposal which was sent by our state government. Number one, the nomenclature of district council will be changed. From district, we will put territorial council. Earlier we have a district council, and district council will be changed to territorial council. This bill also have sent the proposal to the Minister of Home Affairs. So we are waiting for, most probably this session they will pass the bill, and our district council will be named territorial council. And second point is very important. District council were having 30 member of district council. Out of 30, 2 are nominated, and 28 members are directly elected. So from 30 members, we have proposed to increase 50 members. Out of 50 members, 6 will be nominated by the governor of Tripura. So it is the history that we have proposed from 30 to 50 seats, which now we'll call them territorial council members. Therefore, I think this is the historical decision taken by our cabinet, our new government, and it is very historical, so to say. We are waiting for 35 years. The people of Tripura is waiting to get more power, to get direct fund, to empower the district council. But we have seen the earlier government, especially left from government, who have run continuously 25 years. Only verbally they are speaking to outside that ADC need more power, more fund, but in practical they do nothing. This is the main reason behind why I-50 BJP government, within a short period of time, we have empowered the district council. And I believe the people of Tripura, both tribal and non-tribal, they will be very happy. And hopefully this session, parliament session, I think they will come up. And there is a committee in the parliament committee, standing committee, to look about the district council matters. So we have already sent a proposal, and in parliament and in our cabinet meeting also, we are consensusly we have passed the bill, and there is no doubt about it. And now I think the Home Ministry will decide our proposal, and most of the amendment is already proposed by the central government, Minister of Home Affairs. Only few of them we have inserted, few points we have inserted, like increasing our seat from 30 to 50, they do have proposed, and also we have three-tier system of the government, they also have proposed, and also land allotment system. Now even land is very important. So now land transfer, land allotment also will be included in district council. These are the major issues that we are looking for 35 years, that ADC have no power. Therefore, I think this is the historical decision taken by our new government, BJP government, and I really appreciate and I want to congratulate to our Chief Minister, Biplab Kumar Dev, who is taking initiative, and in his leadership, that bill has passed. We have recommended, our cabinet has recommended. So therefore, I think I want to congratulate our Chief Minister for his bold decision taken by him and also Tribal Welfare Department. And also the District Council also sent some proposal. And in combination of District Council as well as the State Government, since I am the nodal minister of District Council, so I have a responsible to tell the people, and also I take initiative all the decision and all the drafts also done by our department, our Tribal Welfare Department. Therefore, I congratulate also my department staff from Tribal Welfare that the seat will be increased after the amendment. And again, very most important, we have only one-tier system of self-government. We have only single system, that is we call village committee. Now it will be three-tiered system. Now there will be village council. It is like a Panchayat GP, like a Panchayat system, and block council, which will be equivalent to Panchayat Samiti, and also have a territorial council, which will be equivalent to Jila Parishad. So now even territorial council will be having, where we will be going to have three-tier system to run the government. And these are the very historic decision taken by our state government. And thirdly, there will be planning commission, who will be created by territorial council. Earlier we have a planning commission. Now there will be planning commission will be established by our territorial council. And there are most important, we are increasing the department. Presently we have 15 to 17 department. Now we have proposed to increase about 43 department. We have already sent a proposal that 43 department will be included, including the education, primary education, secondary education, and higher education. And also general college can be established. These are the proposals we have sent by the state government.